In this video, I will show you how to start accepting payments on your website. In just a few minutes, you can have everything set up, and it doesn't require any professional skills to use the Trusted Gateway service. Let's check how much time this will take to build a page for accepting payments. First, I will open a pricing page. I am going to use the PayPal template to demonstrate the capabilities of the payment form management. Using the direct credit card charging will require a monthly fee. So in this example, I will start with the completely free option to give you an understanding of how this works. I am clicking on the Sign Up button, and I will fill it in with random data. Then, just click Register New Account. Okay, as you can see, there will not be a charge of any sort, and on this confirmation form, I will need to fill in only two fields: my payment form name and reserve some unique link for my payment form. This link will be reserved as a subdomain of trustedgateway.com and will be accessed by an HTTPS secure connection. I don't need to worry about additional security measures on my end because their platform is fully PCI compliant. I am also going to specify my email address for receiving notifications about transactions and to receive the daily report. After that, I will click the Create Payment Form button. My payment form was just created, and if I hit the blue button labeled View Payment Page, it opens the secure link of the subdomain with my payment form. As you can see, the form is very simple, and it suggests to pay only $20 using PayPal. The form is also available for any further modifications. If you need to do any additional modifications, this can be done under the Constructor menu, which is part of the Payment Page menu. Here you can see a visual display of the constructor form. Let's say you dislike the caption, Pay with PayPal, and want to change it to the word Invoice. You can add fields through the drag and drop of a corresponding widget. The first field I am adding is Invoice Number. I may also want to add the customer's name to give the customer self-identification abilities. Let's add a logo to the top of this payment form. If I also want to add the logo to the receipt, this is done in Constructor, Receipt, and can be accomplished the same way. Now we will return to the payment page. In this example, I will remove the default value for the payment and change it to 1 cent so that we can see the results for testing purposes. Now we are done. The form is actually ready to accept the payments. Click View Payment Page again, and this is how it looks. Technically, we are completely finished with the setup, and it took just 4 minutes. To demonstrate, I will put an example transaction so that you can view the full payment cycle. It will just take a few clicks to show how I can make a payment using PayPal. Once the transaction is successful, the user will receive an invoice by email that can be viewed and printed. The owner of the payment form will also receive a duplicate copy of the receipt by email. This is how it looks. Most of the e-commerce solutions require more advanced payment forms, so I will also show you another option that allows you to accept credit cards directly on the website. I am going to my dashboard. To create a new payment form, I am going to Templates and then select the Payment Form. It's important to note that this is not a free option. The cost is $16 per month, but I will show you how it will work. Again, I am creating a payment form by just giving a name and choosing a unique link for the subdomain. Once done, hit the Create Payment Form. Right after that, I can manage the form template in the same way that I did for the PayPal option. I am going to Constructor, Payment Page. For a better example, I can add the logo again, and this is how it will look. I can configure the form so it could accept only certain credit card types. And I can select one of the payment processors that I will use and input the credentials. For example, for the Authorize.net Sandbox credentials, I will specify their login and transaction API keys. This is the only difference from the PayPal payment form that we previously did. The obvious benefits are that the customer will not leave the website during the payment process, and they will get the email receipt the same way. This is everything you need to know about creating easy payment forms. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and get more about online payment solutions here. Bye!